Children, now question number 10. ABCD is a parallelogram. AP and CQ are perpendicular from vertices A and C on diagonal BD. Show that triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD. And then we have to prove AP is equal to CQ. Children, here ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. AP perpendicular to BD and CQ perpendicular to BD. It is also given. We have to prove triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD. So we are using these two triangles. Children, first we are taking AB parallel to DC. It is intersected by transversal BD. So angle ABP is equal to angle CDQ, alternate interior angles. Then APB and CQD 90 degree, this is given. AB is equal to DC. These are the opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD by angle side. If triangles are congruent, then AP is equal to CQ by CP/CT. Question number 11. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE, AB parallel to DE. BC is equal to EF, BC parallel to EF. Vertices ABC are joined to the vertices DE and F respectively. Then we have to show first quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Second quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. Then third part we have to prove AD parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. Fourth we will prove ACFD is a parallelogram. Then ACFD is a parallelogram. Then AC is equal to DF. And then the last is we have to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. This is the main motive to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, that we prove all above steps. So we will prove it step by step. First part is we have to prove quadrilateral ADEB is a parallelogram. So first we are taking the quadrilateral ABED. In quadrilateral ABED, AB is equal to DE, AB parallel to DE. One pair of opposite side of a quadrilateral are parallel and equal. So ABED is a parallelogram. So first part is done. Quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Second is BC parallel to EF. BC is equal to EF. So in quadrilateral BEFC, again one pair of opposite side BC and EF parallel and equal. So BEFC is a parallelogram. So now third part we are doing ABED is a parallelogram. If ABED is a parallelogram, then AD parallel to BE, AD is equal to BE. We have taken it from the first part. Second part, CFEB is a parallelogram. Then CF is equal to BE, CF parallel to BE. So from equation 1 and 2, AD is parallel to BE, CF is parallel to BE. That means lines parallel to the same line BE are parallel to one another, and lines equal to the same line are equal to one another. That means AD is equal to CF and AD parallel to CF. This is the third part, AD equal to CF and AD parallel to CF. Now fourth part, we have to prove ADFC is a parallelogram. So AC is equal to DF, AC parallel to DF. So ADFC is a parallelogram. If ADFC is a parallelogram, then AC is equal to DF. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now we are proceeding for the last part. We have to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. So AB is equal to DE, opposite sides of a parallelogram ABED. BC is equal to EF. These are the opposite sides of parallelogram BCEF. AC is equal to DF, opposite sides of parallelogram ACFD. Then by SSS congruency rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. So triangles are. Now children, we have question number 12. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. Means trapezium, here known parallel sides AD and BC are equal. We have to show angle A of the trapezium is equal to angle B of the trapezium. So angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D, and third part we have to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. Then fourth we have to prove diagonal AC bisect diagonal BD. So here given is triangle given ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC and AD known parallel side is equal to BC. Now we do their construction that is given in the statement as a hint. So produce AB to E and draw a line CE parallel to AD. If we draw CE parallel to AD, then AECD is a parallelogram. Now in parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary, that is angle DAB plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Now AD is equal to CE, opposite sides of parallelogram. AD is equal to BC, it is given. That means BC is equal to EC. C is equal to BC. If CE is equal to BC, then angle CBE is equal to CBE. CBE is equal to CEB. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Then angle CBE is equal to CBE can be written as 180 minus ABC. Then CBE is written as 180 minus ABC, linear pair axiom, and this is equal to angle E. Then from equation 1 and 2, we are substituting the angle E in equation 1. So DAB plus 180 minus ABC is equal to 180. So 180 to 180 cancel. DAB is equal to ABC. That means angle A of the trapezium is equal to angle B of the trapezium. Now we are proving second part, angle C is equal to angle D. So AB parallel to DC, it is intersected by AD. Then angle A plus D is equal to 180 degree, co-interior angles. Similarly, AB parallel to DC intersected by BC, then angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree. It is again co-interior angle. Now right sides in equation 3 and 4 are equal, so left are also equal. A plus D is equal to B plus C. A is equal to B we have proved in the first part, so D is equal to C. Now we have to prove third part, triangle AB C congruent to triangle BAD. So here BC is equal to AD, it is given. AB equal to BA common, and angle A is equal to B we have proved in the first part. So triangle BAD congruent to triangle ABC by SAS. AD is the side, angle A and AB is the common. So by SAS we are taking triangles are congruent. If triangles are congruent, then AC is equal to BD. Hence proved.